Today we're going to be reviewing how you find credible websites for your research project. You're going to go to the high school library website. That is located on the high school website. You scroll down and click on the library tab. Once you get to the library website, scroll down till you see Fall at Destiny OPAC. Click on that. Click on high school. Up here at the top, click on catalog. This brings you to the search engine that we use to find physical resources in the library, things that actually exist on the shelves. But that's not what we're doing today. So we go to Webpath Express here on the left-hand side column of tabs, and that gives us the search engine to search credible, reputable websites. You can search two different ways. If you were searching for a topic, you can select the general area. Let's say we were doing criminal psychology. You click on the tab to open up the subsections. You could click on the plus for psychology, and then it gives you a list of the subtopics. And you can click on criminal psychology, and it gives you the websites that are dedicated to that. In this case, there are 11 of them, as you see here. You also can search using the search tab. So let's say that I'm researching the cultural and historical mythology of vampires. So I type that in, and I come up with 250 results. Now, some of them are not really what I want. Like, for example, this one is Rochelle Mead's series of books, Vampire Academy books. So I can cut that out. Farther down you see the vampire bat. Well, that's more biology and animals than it is the topic that we want. But we have sources here that are more dedicated to the legend and the mythos of vampires. But there's a lot of things that you can learn just from this page without even looking at the website. The grade level that it's aimed at. This is the grade level we want. If you hover over the icons, they tell you what they are. This is an encyclopedia. This one up here is a magazine. This website obviously would not be as useful to us because seniors doing a research project don't need a source that is K through 5. Here you have a picture, an image collection, audio. Lexile scoring is the level of difficulty of the reading, and that's something that might be useful to you if you struggle with reading a little bit and you want to kind of limit your sources based on complexity of writing. So you can then click on your source. Let's click on this one here, and it opens in a new tab. So you still have your search results on the previous tab, but it opens in a new tab, and you actually can go through and write down the information that you need. Most websites, you have the title here, which is the website title. It should actually say web page on your note sheets, but it says website. Vampire. If there's an author listed, you can go ahead and list the author. Down at the bottom, you get modifications, those sorts of things. If that is there, you want that information. Also, look for copyrights, which will tell you the sponsoring organization. This should help you move forward on your research project smoothly, and you'll be able to spend less time trying to figure out whether a website is credible and worth using or not.